Question 341. How do you manage collaboration between technical teams and academic faculty to ensure project alignment? To manage collaboration effectively, I prioritize open communication and regular check-ins between technical teams and academic faculty. I facilitate workshops and brainstorming sessions to gather input and align project goals. Establishing a shared understanding of technical constraints and academic needs is crucial. Using project management tools like Jira or Trello, I maintain transparency regarding project timelines and responsibilities. Additionally, I encourage faculty participation in the testing phase, allowing them to provide feedback on tools and processes. This collaborative approach fosters trust and ensures that technical solutions are tailored to meet academic objectives. Question 342. What role does version control play in the academic production analysis process? Version control is vital in academic production analysis as it ensures the integrity and traceability of analytical code and datasets. Using systems like Git allows teams to collaborate on projects without overriding each other's work. It facilitates the management of changes, enabling rollback to earlier versions if necessary, which is crucial in maintaining the accuracy of analyses. Furthermore, version control supports the documentation of changes, making it easier for new team members to understand project evolution. This practice not only enhances collaboration, but also meets compliance requirements in research and data management. Question 343. Describe a situation where you had to adapt your analytical approach due to unexpected data anomalies. In a previous project, we encountered significant data anomalies during a routine analysis of student enrollment figures. Initial investigations revealed discrepancies in the data collection process, leading to skewed results. To address this, I convened a cross-functional team to reassess data sources and refine our collection methodologies. We implemented additional validation checks to prevent similar issues in the future. I also adjusted our analytical approach by segmenting the data to identify patterns and outliers more effectively. This proactive adaptation not only resolved the immediate issue, but also improved our long-term data accuracy and reliability. Question 344. What methodologies do you use for documenting analytical processes and results in an academic environment? I adhere to a structured documentation methodology that includes comprehensive documentation of analytical processes, results, and insights. Using Markdown or Confluence, I create clear and concise documentation that outlines objectives, methodologies, and findings. This documentation includes version history, data sources, and any assumptions made during the analysis. I also incorporate visual aids, such as flowcharts and diagrams to enhance understanding. Regular updates are critical, particularly after significant project milestones or when new insights emerge. This practice ensures that knowledge is preserved, facilitates onboarding of new team members, and promotes transparency across the academic institution. Question 345. How would you approach integrating machine learning models into existing academic production systems? Integrating machine learning models into academic production systems requires a strategic approach. First, I would assess existing data infrastructure to ensure it can support the model's requirements. This involves evaluating data sources, storage solutions, and processing capabilities. Next, I would collaborate with domain experts to define clear use cases for the models, ensuring alignment with academic goals. I would utilize tools like TensorFlow or PyTorch for model development and implement CI/CD practices to facilitate model deployment. Continuous monitoring is essential post-deployment to evaluate model performance and retrain as needed to maintain accuracy. Question 346. Discuss your experience with ETL processes and tools in the context of academic data analysis. My experience with ETL, extract, transform, load processes involves using tools like Apache NiFi and Talon to streamline data integration from multiple sources. In an academic environment, I designed ETL workflows to aggregate student performance data from various systems, ensuring timely accessibility for analysis. The extraction phase focuses on pulling data from databases and APIs, while transformation involves data cleansing and normalization to maintain consistency. Finally, I load the processed data into a centralized data warehouse for analysis. This structured ETL approach enhances data quality and provides a reliable foundation for generating actionable insights. Question 347. How do you ensure compliance with data privacy regulations when analyzing student data? Compliance with data privacy regulations, such as FERPA and GDPR, is paramount when analyzing student data. I ensure adherence by implementing strict access controls and data encryption, both at rest and in transit. Regular audits of data access logs help track who accesses sensitive information. I also advocate for anonymization techniques to protect individual identities during analysis. Training team members on data privacy policies ensures everyone understands their responsibilities regarding confidential information. Furthermore, I collaborate with legal and compliance teams to stay updated on evolving regulations, adjusting our practices as necessary to maintain compliance. Question 348. What considerations do you take into account when designing data pipelines for academic analytics? When designing data pipelines for academic analytics, I consider scalability, reliability, and ease of maintenance. Scalability ensures that the pipeline can handle increasing data volumes as academic programs grow. I prioritize reliable data extraction methods to minimize downtime and data loss. Additionally, I incorporate automated monitoring to detect issues proactively and allow for quick resolution. Data transformation processes must be efficient, focusing on speed without compromising data quality. Finally, documentation of the pipeline architecture and processes is essential for team collaboration and future maintenance, ensuring a clear understanding of data flow and dependencies. Question 349. How do you balance technical requirements with academic needs when developing analytical tools? Balancing technical requirements with academic needs involves active stakeholder engagement throughout the development process. I begin by conducting needs assessments with faculty and administrators to understand their objectives. This collaboration helps identify critical features and functionalities for the analytical tools. I then translate these needs into technical specifications while considering limitations such as budget, timeline, and resource availability. Regular feedback sessions during the development cycle allow for adjustments based on user input, ensuring the final product aligns with academic goals. This iterative approach fosters a sense of ownership among users and enhances overall tool adoption. Question 350. Describe a time when you had to mentor a junior analyst. What approach did you take? I mentored a junior analyst by adopting a hands-on, supportive approach. Initially, I assessed their strengths and areas for development, focusing on both technical skills and analytical thinking. I provided structured guidance through regular one-on-one meetings, where we discussed project challenges and methodologies. Encouraging independent problem-solving, I assigned small projects that gradually increased in complexity, allowing them to build confidence. I also facilitated access to resources, including online courses and relevant literature. Providing constructive feedback and celebrating their successes reinforced their growth. This mentorship not only enhanced their skills, but also strengthened our team's overall capabilities. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.